Your home, your vision, our Deluxe Touch.
Today we're going to show you the steps to apply to become a Deluxe Wood dealer. First, visit www.deluxewoodexpress.com and click Sign Up here. Fill out your company information. Include your sales representative's name if you had one visit. Only use 10 digits for phone, fax numbers, no dashes or spaces. If you don't have a fax number, just use the phone number again. Optional, you can add your company's logo to your profile. Enter the main contact's information. The showroom address works. List any vendors you worked with before or currently work with. If tax exempt, please add your tax ID and certificate. We will follow up with your state's forms. If not tax exempt, click No. Then create a password, accept terms and conditions and click the Sign Up button. We will contact you shortly. Now we'll show you how to quote and order. Once approved, you will be able to log in with your email and password. The home page is where you'll spend most of your time. Hover to the top right and click Add Draft. Enter the PO, the designer working on this order, and shipping information. This could be your showroom or job site address. Then click Next. Choose the door style and color, then scroll down and click Next. From here, choose whether or not you'd like the order to be assembled or unassembled. Then choose whether or not you'd like self-pickup in Bridgeport, Connecticut or curbside or in-house delivery. Now, input the product code you need in the search and add item bar. You can modify to cut depth, finish left, right, both or none. We're going to choose right finish for this B24. Click the green gear button for modifications or accessories like roll-out trays to be placed inside the base cabinet. Continue to add your product codes. FYI, the letters GD after the W means wall cabinet with glass door. You can always add or remove modifications while actively working on the order. Continue to add your moldings, tall pantries and more. If you want a two-tone kitchen, click Add another style at the bottom of the page. Follow the same prompts and input the product codes for that color, style. Here, we're going to input product codes for a white shaker island. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to click Next. Review your order carefully and in the notes section, you can write anything you want. You can change the delivery address if it changed from when you first inputted, ask us to be sure about a certain cabinet, deliver on a specific date or if it's a kitchen order, to deliver with the vanity order if it's going to the same address and more. Then click Next and complete the basic information and billing information areas and click Next. Then check out with your credit card, which is processed through Stripe. If you ever run into troubleshooting issues, need our digital spec book and more, visit the Google Drive link that we send when you sign up as a dealer. Our email info@deluxewoodcabinetry.com is also very quick to respond. We're excited to welcome you to the Deluxe Wood team. Get ready to experience our commitment to all wood construction, exceptional service, and dependability you can count on. With over 300,000 square feet of combined warehouse space across Texas, South Carolina, Maryland, and Connecticut, we're built to support your residential and commercial projects at every scale. This is your home, your vision, with our Deluxe Touch.